Which one is heavier? When the object is heavier, it goes down. Let's check what they are. Glass stone, plastic stone, ping pong ball, pom-pom, cube block, and metal ring. A ping pong ball. Metal ring. Which one is heavier? The ring is heavier than ping pong ball. Heavier. Heavy. Glass stone. And pom-pom. Which one is heavier? The glass stone is heavier than pom-pom. We have plastic stone and cube block. Which one is heavier? Can you guess? Plastic stone. Which one is heavier? Cube block is heavier than plastic stone. Which one is lighter? It goes up. Ping pong ball. Which one is lighter than ping pong ball? Pom pom. Aha! Pom pom is lighter than ping pong ball. It goes up. Glass stone. Which one is lighter than a glass stone? Plastic stone is lighter than the glass stone. The plastic stone goes up because it is lighter than the glass stone. You put the metal ring. Which one is lighter? Metal ring or cube block? Metal ring goes up because it is lighter than a cube block. Good job. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.